right, guys, here we go. We're climbing the lift hill on Liseberg's somewhat new Valkyria B&M dive machine, and we're here in Sweden. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, check this out. This is a beautiful view of the park right here. Got Helix over on your left, Baldur's over on our right. Oh, crap. Don't look down. Here we go. Woo-ho-ho-ho! Woo! Oh, man. Oh, ready? Woo! And woo! Oh, that was fun. Woo! How's it going, back seat? All right, we're here at Liseberg. We're riding Valkyria. Okay, we're gonna come over the top of the drop here, and we're gonna get this beautiful view of Liseberg. This is one of our favorite parks in the world. We've got Helix to the left, Baldur to the right, and oh my God, straight down. Here we go. Oh, go! How was that, everyone? Backseat, do you approve?
Yeah!
That's Valkyria here at Liseberg in Sweden. Yeah, it's awesome. Thumbs up, yeah? Okay, approved.